All right, folks, so for step 2, you can go ahead and set your background wall off to the side. We'll come back to that later. And you are gonna need your long, skinny rectangle for this step. This rectangle is going to be your tabletop that our vase will sit on. So for this, your job is to decorate your tabletop however you would like. It might have, I've done a couple other ones here, it might have some flowers. One of my favorite tables in the whole world is my grandma's table, and she always has a fancy tablecloth with lots of flowers in it and a cool little lace edge. So I did that one in honor of my grandma. Your tabletop might have wood, it might be made of wood. Maybe this one, it kind of reminded me of like a picnic blanket. You can do it however you would like, whatever patterns you would like. It could be solid color, it can have a pattern, designs, whatever you would like. I think for this tabletop, I'm gonna do some orange lines with my markers here. Now again, your tablecloth or tabletop should be your very own, so make it look unique for you. Let's see, let's do a little more orange in here. This one's gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be mostly just orange with a few lines in it. Okay, and once you get your tabletop done, you're gonna go back and get your wall again, and that tabletop is gonna glue down right across the bottom like that. And even though I really like my orange stripes, I think I'm gonna go with my grandma inspired tablecloth here instead. So all you need is just your glue stick. Add a little glue across the back of your tabletop rectangle and stick it down right across the bottom edge of your background, just like that. We got lots of funky patterns going on here. I hope you do too.